This video will walk you through the advanced gameplay tutorial. And so what I have here is I have the answers for this game opened on one side, and I have posted these answers for you so that you can check with your work. And on the other side, I'm going to have the actual tutorial and I'm going to work through it. And then at times, as needed, I might compare to the actual answers. So the first thing that we're going to be doing in this tutorial is we're going to be adding lives. And the way we're going to be adding lives is we're going to open up the object game control, and we're going to set up the global variable lives using this code. So we're going to go to the objects, we're going to open the object control, and we're going to add a create event where we're going to add the code that you see here. Now we're going to go and open the object ball, and we're going to go to the outside of room event. We're going to delete what you see here, and we're going to add the code that is shown in the tutorial. Which means that every time that a ball is outside of the room, we're going to decrease the number of lives by 1. And if the number of lives is more than 0, then you're going to start a new ball at the default position where it was originally started, and you're going to give it some random direction of 90 degrees shooting upwards. So now that when we run the game, the ball should reset twice, and then it should not be resetting anymore. Like so. In addition to this, we also need to trigger some game over screen. So we're going to create a new room. We're going to name it game over, and we're going to give it a background game over. So let's create the background first. Background game over. Little background. Game over background. Okay, that. And now we're going to make a new room. .640 by 480. And we're going to give the background, we're going to uncheck the draw backgrounds, and we're going to select the background we just had. And that's going to be my room. We're going to go to the room creation code of my game over. And what we're going to do there is we're going to add this code to the creation code of the room, which is going to make the background semi-transparent. We're going to close the room. Now we're going to go to the object game control, and we're going to add the following code to the step event. So we're going to go to object game control step, and we're just going to add this code in addition to the one that you have. Alright, and at this point I'm just going to go and double check with the other one that I have. object gain control. It's exactly what I needed. So I can save this and then OK that. So what we just did was we're checking to see if our lives are less than or equal to 0. And if that is the case, we're just going to go to the room game over, which we just created. So now let's check to see. And there you go.